So I just found a brand new website that we never talked about before that will actually pay you real money for completing simple tasks. And I also found this free software that will do all the work for you, so you can enjoy some passive income and earn some money without having to spend hours completing those jobs, without any previous experience, and of course, without investing any money. Now, before we start, make sure to drop a like to this video so we can hit that 1,000 likes mark as soon as possible, and click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. And let me know in the comments which country you're coming from so I can make more videos that work around in your area. Anyways, here's some payment proof so you will know that this actually works and that this tutorial is worth your time. If you really want to make this work, then follow each and every step and don't skip anything. Now, this is going to be an absolutely free software that will actually do all of the work for you. So, as I said, you can make money hands-free. Now, before we get back to this software and before I explain to you how it actually works, you will need to come over to this gold mine for making money online, and that's a brand new website that we never talked about earlier on this channel, and later I'll share the link to this website, but first, let's see how it works. This website is a worthy creative job. This is available worldwide, so no matter where you're coming from, you can make money with this website. India, the Philippines, United States, Canada, Australia, it really doesn't matter. Anyone can use this website and make money for free. As you can see, they'll pay you for your time, no investment needed. There are loads of different ways you can make money with this website, but there will be one single thing that we'll be doing right here that will actually make you the most money without having to do the hard work yourself. But yeah, if you want to make even more money and maximize your results while the software does the work for you, you can also focus on different stuff like market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching, and that way you can earn even more money. And once again, if you want to, that's really optional. But even with that one particular category which the software will do for you, you can still make decent amount of money every single day. And then finally, you have testimonials of people from all over the world that have been using this website and that have been making money in the past. As you can see, this girl is from the Philippines, this girl is from the United States, and this guy is from Australia. So this works all around the globe and anyone can make money with this website. You can work from anywhere, anytime, and earn as much as you want without investment, without investing any money at all. And as I said, this is a brand new website on this channel. We never talked about it before, but it actually has been online for a while. So it's been online since 2014, which means it's a really decent website. People have been using it for years. I mean, if it didn't work then, they would obviously disappear the same year, but they've been online for over 6 years now. Now, if you come over to the official homepage, you can put your mouse here. It says Career, and that's going to give you a list of different jobs which you can complete on this website and make money. Now, if you click on Career, that's going to show you all these different categories. You have everything from online paid surveys, you have online typing jobs, online ad publishing, medical transcription, and so on and so forth. However, we'll focus only on online proofreading jobs. That's going to pay you $5 to $10 per 1,000 words, and what you're actually doing right here is you're correcting grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and factual inaccuracies. So you just need to complete the task of correcting grammatical errors. Now don't worry, you don't need to be an English expert, you don't need to be fluent whatsoever, because the free software that I'm about to share with you will do all of that hard work for you. So you can just copy and paste the article into the software and it does all the work for you. You just come back here and you collect your earnings. You can do it again and again, and I'll explain exactly how this works. For now though, just click on online proofreading jobs so you can read more about it, you can find out more about how it works, you can find out more about the job nature, the job rates, and exactly how much they will pay you. As you can see, as a proofreader, you can earn $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words. So one page, one article page pays you up to $10, and I've seen some jobs that are long as 20 pages per article, which if you do the math can end up being around $200 for a single job, which you didn't have to complete yourself because, as I said, the software will do all of the work for you. Now, here's an example article that I found from this website once you applied for a job, so you would receive something like this. As you can see, you can open up the document and you can see this text over here. This article, around 3 pages, that means I can make up to $30 for completing this job. And now, other people that have not watched this video will need to go through the article and they need to correct all of those grammatical errors themselves. So you were lucky to have clicked on this video. And because of that, I'm going to give you this software that will do all of that so you don't have to bother doing that hard work. So what you simply need to do is you'll just need to copy this entire article and paste it to the software. Now, right before we go to that software and right before I give you that free tool, I need to show you how to actually apply for a job and where to actually get this article so you can get paid $10, $20, $30, or $50 per job that you complete. So what you need to do is you need to come over to this page. You need to come over to cjinc.info. That is the link to this website. You need to scroll down a little bit and click on Apply for Jobs right here. So click on this button, Apply for Jobs, and then click on Download Application Form. And then you can see this registration form which you will need to complete. So you'll need to select a job, and your job for now is going to be proofreading. So select proofreading jobs right here. Enter your name and last name in this box over here and your email address. So you must enter your email address so they can send you future jobs. You enter your birthday, gender, whether or not you're married. You'll then need to enter your phone number right here so they can contact you if they have more jobs available. Enter your country, and once again, it doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can enter any country you like. You'll still have jobs to complete. Now, here's the thing. If you want to maximize your results and you want to get more jobs to complete so you can earn more money on this website, what I recommend you to do is select Employed here. It says Current Professional Status. I'd recommend you select Employed and Freelancer. That way, they'll push more jobs for you. If you select Unemployed, sometimes they'll take that as you being lazy and you not doing any work, and they might not send you those jobs to complete. So the best thing you can do is select Employed and Freelancers. And then, what hours are you available to work? I highly recommend you once again select both of these boxes, both 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So you're kinda available the entire day because you don't have to complete the job yourself. As I said, it takes you less than a minute, less than 60 seconds to complete a job. So you can do that anytime and from anywhere you are. So obviously you don't have to sit around the entire day in front of your computer. You can be anywhere you want to. You just receive an email from them. You see you got the job. You just copy the text, paste it into the software. The software does the work for you and you just come back to collect your earnings. And then for this, I recommend you select multiple companies because you want to work with as many companies as possible so you can make more money, and then just select your payment option, however you want to get paid. I personally prefer PayPal, so I would select that and I would then enter my PayPal email address so they can pay me directly over there. After that, make sure to read this article before accepting this box, and yes, just hit submit and you're done. You have completed the form and now you'll start receiving those jobs. They'll look something like this. So they send you an article, but how do you actually correct the grammatical errors? Once again, just go through the entire article, copy the entire article. So click on it and copy that entire text and then come over to slickwrite.com. This is the absolutely free bot that will do all of the work for you. They will correct all of those grammatical errors for you in seconds. Check your grammar in seconds, and as you can see right here, the SlickWrite is a powerful free application that will make it easy to check writing for grammatical errors, potential stylistic mistakes, and other interesting features. The grammar checker is fast. It's literally instant. You'll just paste your text and it does the work for you, and you're ready to use it and collect your earnings from creative jobs. So just come over to slickwrite.com. You can try the demo if you want and watch the video and how it works for you. You can just go to start writing and immediately start making money. So you just need to paste the text inside of this box right here, or if they've sent you the file, you can just upload your file and place it over here, or I can just right click and just click paste. And here's the entire article. Here's my entire project on the screen. Now I'll just scroll down a little bit and I'll click on continue. This button right here. Now I'll wait for the bot to do all the work for me, and as you can see, it's completed all of the work for me. You can see that it underlined all of the grammatical errors and everything that I can change to correct the spelling and all of the mistakes. That was the first bot, the first software that will do your work for you for free. The second software which you can use is called app.grammarly.com. So you can use Grammarly. You can even go to Google and search for Grammarly Proofreading, and that's going to show you this page right here where you can paste your text inside of this box, and that's also going to underline all of the errors, and when you try to correct them, it's going to do it for you. As you can see, instead of genetics, you can click on genetics, and it's going to do it immediately for you. Now you can go to the second word, click on that. That's going to do it for you. So I can just do the clicking right here. As you can see, all of this will take less than a minute to complete. After you're done, you can just copy this entire article, go back to Creative Jobs, submit your project, and you can get paid anywhere from $10 up to $200 or even $300 per job completed. It was as simple as copy pasting some text. Once again, to summarize, just come over to cjinc.info, apply for those jobs, you get accepted for a job, you receive an article that looks something like this, you copy that, you use some of these free software that I've shared with you inside of this video, you paste your article over here, this software corrects all of the grammar errors, you then copy the entire article with no grammatical mistakes, go back to this website, paste that, and collect your earnings. It's really simple and easy. I think that anyone can do this, because as you can see, it requires no previous experience. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to wait to get sales. It's not affiliate marketing. And it's just one of the easiest ways to make money online that I found recently. And that is it for today. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with the notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.